Thanks
Now
for
to
staying
rec
tuned to Ovampa. To get more, click subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Remember to like and share this video to help.
Now I want to give you a complete tutorial of how to record a video like this. Now let's start with how to edit it completely so that you won't make a mistake. Now the first thing you want to do is to tap create for free. That's if you want to use this for free. You touch create for free and a new page will refresh, and now you select the size of the video you want and select the person you want to speak in the video. Yeah, any of those faces you like, you select it, and then you can go ahead and scroll down to preview this. Yeah, there are so many faces you can choose from right here. Now you select the language you want the person to speak in the video, and now you select the language style, yeah, the body movement, whether you want the person to be cheerful or sad or angry and all that. So let's take cheerful, so that depending on what you're talking about in the video, you select male or female. Here this person is Jenny, and now you type what you want the person to say. Yeah, you have to type correctly because what you put in is what you get. So you type maximum of 800 words. That's about 5 minutes, between 3 minutes to 5 minutes. Now you have to make this edit right here to adjust the speech rate. That's to adjust the tone, the volume. So you turn on the stick, check this box here, and now play the video. If you like what you're getting, you leave it like that. But if you don't like it, now you tune it. Yeah, the up you use it to control the speed of the video. Then below you use it to control whether male or female voice you get. So if you selected a female, you have to give it a female voice here. If you selected a male, you have to give it a male voice. Now you can now go ahead and play the video again. Now watch it. If you're done, you tap generate video. They will ask you to listen first. Now you'll have to play the video again just to make sure you're okay with it. Now you tap generate video. That's if you're okay with the audition.
It is beautiful to be creative.
Now when you tap generate video, it will still appear here for you to tap generate again. That's if you're sure of the video that it's okay by you. This is the one I did before. Now this is the one we did just now. So this one, you see the download icon here. This is where your projects are. That's the work you have done in this site. So you tap the download icon like this one in this box below. You just tap on it, and then it will save to your phone gallery. It will save to your phone gallery, and then you can go ahead and start sharing it or editing it, like changing the background, adding more tone, and any other edits you might want to make. So that's how it is for this. Now you see, I give you this for free, and I want to also give you the site you can do this. And all you can do now is simply to like this video. Yeah, it's free to do that. Now open your browser and search Credo.ai. Now you have to do this on Chrome so that you get the best result. I hope you've given this video a thumbs up. Yeah, there are more videos about this, that in different versions of AI videos. So you have to subscribe and turn on the notification bell if you want to get it when it's ready.